Hi, this is Eric Stromquist. I'm here with my friend
Ken Smyers. How you doing?
This is your 2012 Control Trends Academy News Update, Countdown to Dallas. Today we're going to be reviewing another one of our categories today, which is the best commercial product of the year. Kenny, who do we got on that list?
First up is the Honeywell JADE Economizer. As you know, Honeywell makes a lot of strong products in energy savings, and the Economizer controller is one of the new and innovative products that leads to great energy savings.
Well, what do you think makes the JADE so unique?
Well, it's functionality. It integrates a lot of very important, simple things in one controller.
Well, good luck to Honeywell with that JADE Economizer. What do we have next, Kenny?
Next up is the Ecobee Smart SI thermostat.
There's Ecobee again, okay? So they were up for the 2012 Thermostat of the Year, and our Control Trends Academy, I guess, thought enough of that product to make it one of the 2012 Commercial Controls Product of the Year. Kenny, why do you think it's so popular?
I just think that the people, contractors in our business, they need reliable controls to put in and get out, move in, move on, and not encounter any surprises or difficulties. And when a product is reliable and easy to install, contractors make good return on that time spent, and it becomes a very popular product. Yeah, and distributors like them as well, because if you're a distributor of Ecobee, then it's a mutual win.
Yeah, so you don't have as many headaches with people having trouble with the product.
Low maintenance and support, yes.
Yeah. So, okay, what do we have next on the list?
Third up is the Onyx VT7600 thermostat, probably for many of the same reasons.
Yeah.
It's just a great commercial thermostat.
Yeah, and Onyx, that same thermostat was up for the 2012 Thermostat of the Year, so Ecobee and Onyx have that in common. And yeah, like you said on the other episode, Onyx, the great thing about that is you sort of plug and play. You pay for what you need, which makes the thermostat very, very competitive on bid day. And Onyx is really good quality as well.
It is we have encountered very little problems, and it's future-proof. In other words, we've had situations where somebody made a mistake and ordered the wrong communication cards, and that's a showstopper in other lines. So things got to go back, and there's a lot of blood there. But with Onyx, you can simply take out the communication board, and you're right up and running. And the thermostat's working all the while, so it's a great innovative product.
So our next two products are very interesting. They sort of are saving energy, but from a little bit different perspective. They're taking it on the water side. And let's speak a bit about the Siemens PICCV valve.
Well, that is a very interesting product, and it's a real winner. And for anybody that's had experience with it, you'll soon become a fan of it, because it's 3-in-1. It does the regulation, and it gives you the ability to provide the exact flow that the manufacturer needs for that particular piece of equipment. And it's pressure independent. So regardless of what's happening upstream and downstream, it's still providing you the flow that's desired.
Yeah, and I think not only does it save energy, I mean, if you've ever had the experience of having some coils, chill water or hot water coils that are on the roof and they're getting starved, they're not getting enough water to heat or cool properly, things like the pressure independent control valves by Siemens help solve that problem as well.
Sure does. And then last is the Belimo Energy valve, which is a very sophisticated but simple product, very successful.
Yeah, talk a bit about that, because I know that saves a lot of, I mean, we did a thing on Control Trends where MIT actually did a study on how much money that energy valve can save. I mean, I think Belimo's really ahead of the curve on this, but talk a bit about how that works and why you think it's going to be a successful product.
Well, it's a system within a system. In other words, it has a safeguard to it. So regardless of what the building management says and any of the variables that might go askew on a given day along your process, the Belimo Energy valve monitors and it provides the exact regulation. So it's almost a safety feature within a system. It's a marvelous design. It's very effective, and as you said, it has one of the most impressive studies and supports of any product I've come across.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think the other thing is there's a big trend, Kenny, in our industry to getting data, especially energy data, so you can control better. And the energy valve also makes it very easy to get data so you can study and tweak
temperature and flow. Exactly.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, cool, Kenny. Those are our five best commercial products of the year. Hey, we want to know what you think out there in our Control Trends community. If you've had experience with any of these products, please respond in comments. Tell our viewers what you think about it so that they can make an informed decision when it comes time to vote. And hopefully you've registered to vote. You still have time, and you should be getting your voting ballot. So check those inboxes. Vote, and hey, Kenny and I will see you in Dallas.